all been there, that post-shower battle with the hairbrush where it feels like your hair is actively fighting back. Whether it's your own morning rush or you're wrangling a little one's bedhead, tangles are the ultimate enemy of a peaceful morning. But what if I told you that most store-bought detanglers are actually just faking it with heavy silicones? Hi, I'm Katie from Simply Earth, and today we are making something better. This is the Knot Away Spray. A 100% natural silicone-free solution that doesn't just mask tangles, it actually strengthens your hair while you brush. The secret sauce in this recipe is the hydrolyzed rice protein. Unlike synthetic coatings that lead to limp, greasy strands over time, this plant-based powerhouse mimics your hair's natural structure. It fills in the gaps in your hair cuticles to create a smooth surface for your brush to glide over. Plus, we're scenting this with hoe wood and lemongrass. It's a grounding, woodsy citrus profile that smells like a high-end spa, not a chemistry lab. Hoe wood is incredibly soothing for the scalp, while lemongrass adds that signature healthy shine. Before we mix this up, let's make sure you have what you need. To make your Knot Away spray, you're going to need a half teaspoon of hydrolyzed rice protein, our star strengthener, 2 drops of hoe wood essential oil, 1 drop of lemongrass essential oil, 2 tablespoons of distilled water. Filtered is okay, but distilled is best for shelf life. A 1-ounce spray bottle, and optionally you can add 2 drops of GeoGuard ECT if you want the spray to last up to 9 months. I'll link the ingredients for this recipe down below. You can also grab them in this month's recipe box, where we deliver the ingredients and recipes right to your door. This is incredibly simple to put together. Let's make it. Start with 2 tablespoons of distilled water. Using distilled is key to keeping your DIY stable and clean. Add in a 1/4 teaspoon of that hydrolyzed rice protein. This is where the magic happens. Now for the scent, 2 drops of hoe wood and 1 drop of lemongrass. It's potent, so a little goes a long way. Now, a quick note on shelf life. Since this is water-based, it'll stay fresh for about a week on your counter. But if you want it to last up to 9 months, I highly recommend adding 2 drops of GeoGuard ECT preservative. It's a natural preservative that keeps your spray safe and effective. You need to check out Simply Earth's recipe box. It comes with the key ingredients you need to make natural products at home. To use this spray, just give it a quick shake. And remember, natural ingredients like to settle. Mist it generously over damp or dry hair, focusing on those stubborn ends. It's lightweight, non-greasy, and it smells absolutely amazing. You're getting the detangling power you need without the buildup you don't. Want to try this recipe yourself? Grab the ingredients from the Simply Earth recipe box. Plus, when you subscribe, we'll throw in a big bonus box to kickstart your DIY journey. When you make this recipe, take a picture and share it on socials. Use hashtag #IMadeThis and tag from Simply Earth, and you could win a $100 gift card to Simply Earth. For more fun DIYs like this, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.